going on, y'all? Today I'm going to demonstrate the at-home test for COVID-19. So the Pixel by Labcorp collection kit comes with full instructions and pretty much everything you need to get a quick sample to send back to the lab for testing. And the best thing I found about this actual test is that they don't actually have to, you don't actually have to stick the swab all the way to the back of your brain just to get a sample. You just take a quick swab of your nostrils on both sides, and the direction says to do it 3 times, but I did it 4 times just to be a little extra, because I ain't got time to be caught up out here. And honestly, I'm just taking this as a precaution before being around family members for Thanksgiving. I'm not showing any symptoms or anything like that, and I've been pretty much safe the entire pandemic, wearing my mask, washing my hands, hand sanitizer, and all that good stuff. Plus, I wanted to go ahead and get this out the way because, I can't make skincare videos for y'all if I'm sick, so might as well get to it and be responsible. Whew, I look crazy, y'all. All right, so I did get a notification saying that my sample has made it to Labcorp. They did send me an email saying that my sample has been received and they're going to start analysis and testing, and I should know my results soon, which means probably between 24 to 48 hours. So right now it's Thursday. I'm looking at Friday, Saturday at the latest to get my results back and to see the outcome and the reliability of the at-home test. What's going on, y'all? So now it is Friday and I just got a notification on my email that my results came back, and pulled it up, and as you can see, it is not detected or negative. And like I was saying before, this whole process of the at-home test and, from ordering, I think I ordered it Monday. I received the testing kit on Wednesday, went ahead and got my sample, went and dropped it off at FedEx before their last pickup, which I think was like 7:15 that night. And then I tracked it on the website, put in my information, and it will show you from the time that you received it to the time it's actually dropped back off at the lab and they're testing it. And then when your results come in, they send you an email also. So it was a total of 5 days, pretty much. I mean, they did say when your package gets back to their lab, it'll take about 24 to 48 hours. So I was expecting between Friday and Saturday for my results to come back. But like I said, it was a super easy process. If you don't have time to go stand in a line or drive up in a line and wait for hours just to get tested, and you don't want to have the experience of getting that swab like shoved up into your brain to get tested, this process was a lot easier. And if you have health insurance, which should cover it, you don't have to pay for it. But if you do have to come out of pocket, pay for it, it is $119. This test is good if you're planning on being around family for the holidays, if you're going out of town somewhere, or maybe you're traveling to a place and you want to come back in town, you want to quarantine, but then you also want to get tested too, just in case. And like I said, the testing lines for a lot of places, I don't know, depends on where you live, they're extremely long. Some of them you're still having to get recommendations or referrals from your doctor. And a lot of people just don't have time for that. So just take the test at home for yourself. Make sure you're following the safety precautions and maintaining social distance and all that stuff. Because I know it's some places where it looks like coronavirus or COVID-19 just doesn't exist, clearly. Because people are in clubs, bars, all that, and which is fine to go to a bar, I guess. But what I'm seeing is a lot of crowded places and all that. And I'm not the paranoid type, and I'm not the type that's like, oh my God, get away from me, don't touch me. But some people, I think, are just being a little reckless. But, I ain't in my business, ain't got nothing to do with me. So anyway, but all right, y'all, if y'all like this video and if you want more information, I did leave the link down to the test that I took below, but if you do go to your state's health department's website, I'm pretty sure they have a way for you to look up more at-home kits, because when I pulled it up, it was actually 4 different brands that do it. But I know this brand through Labcorp, and like I said, Labcorp is a trusted company for as testing anyway, and they're not too far from where I live. So like I said, it was about four or 5 different brands, and I'm pretty sure it depends on what state you're in, what they may offer for at-home tests. But it was super easy, it was super quick, non-invasive, you get your results fast, and it's good, like I said, to prepare for being around family members or coming back in town from a hot spot, or just any type of precaution that you're trying to take if you don't have time to go and stand in the line or wait for your doctor to get back in contact with you. Just go ahead and do it yourself. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm definitely gonna come back with more skincare videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post those videos. And as always, thank you all for watching this video, and I appreciate you for being here.